Every 3 seconds, someone in the world reaches for WD-40, and most have no clue how many secret uses it really has. Sure, it frees stuck bolts, but that's just the beginning. Mechanics have secretly used this little blue can to clean, protect, and fix things most drivers never think of. From saving engines to restoring faded headlights, we're diving into 15 WD-40 tricks that actually work. And stick around for a bonus tip at the end that could save your car in an emergency. Ready? Let's get started. Number 15. Erase tree sap, tar, and grime without scratching. Sticky sap, tar, and road grime can turn a clean car into a mess you can't wash away. Scrubbing only scratches your paint, and the razor blades will slice straight through your clear coat. The smarter move is WD-40. Spray it right on the spot, sap on the hood, tar on the fenders, or that mystery gunk from the highway. Let it soak for a minute, then wipe with a microfiber towel. The bond breaks, the residue melts away, and your paint stays flawless. Wash afterward with soap and water, and your car looks freshly detailed. Next, let's fix those stubborn windows that never glide smoothly. Number 14. Lubricate window tracks for smooth operation. Slow, squeaky windows aren't always a bad motor. They're dirty tracks choking the movement. Dust, dried grease, and grime build up in the rubber channels, forcing the glass to grind upward. Spray a light mist of WD-40 along the inner tracks with the window rolled down. Don't drench it though, just enough to loosen the gunk. Roll the window up and down a few times to spread the lubricant evenly. The motion will smooth out immediately. For lasting care, finish with a silicone spray to keep the rubber soft. A quick 2-minute treatment keeps windows quiet and effortless all year. But clean windows don't mean much if your headlights still look tired. Number 13. Bring foggy headlights back to life. Cloudy headlights make your car look tired. And worse, they kill your visibility at night. That dull yellow haze isn't dirt. It's oxidation chewing through the plastic lens. Forget the toothpaste hacks. Here's a faster fix. Wash the headlights with soap and water, dry them, then mist on some WD-40. Wipe it in with a clean microfiber towel, and you'll see the clarity snap back in seconds. It melts surface oxidation and leaves a slick layer that helps light shine bright again. It's not permanent, but perfect for inspections, road trips, or date-night shine-ups. And while you're at it, protect that shine from rust creeping in. Number 12. Stop rust before it starts. Rust doesn't wait. It creeps in the moment bare metal meets moisture. A few rainy days or one salty drive, and suddenly your undercarriage looks like shipwreck art. The secret? Don't let it start. Hit exposed metal with a light coat of WD-40. Door hinges, wheel wells, suspension arms, even tools in your garage. It seals out water, salt, and oxygen, cutting off rust's food supply. For anything under the car, reapply every couple of months or before winter. A quick spray today keeps bolts turning, panels solid, and rust nightmares away. And even the toughest shine looks cleaner once those old stickers are gone. Number 11. Remove stickers without the sticky mess. Old stickers look harmless until you try peeling them off, and end up with glue that laughs at soap and elbow grease. Scraping just scratches the paint or smears the mess. The pro move is to spray WD-40 right on the sticker or residue and let it sit for about a minute. It seeps under the adhesive, loosening it from the surface. Then peel from one corner or use a plastic scraper. Wipe clean with a microfiber cloth, wash with soapy water, and boom. No scratches, no glue, no hassle. Works on paint, glass, and trim like magic. Once the surfaces are spotless, it's time to tackle what's stuck beneath. Number 10. Free rusted bolts and stuck spark plugs. A seized bolt can turn a 5-minute job into a full-blown headache. Twist too hard and you'll snap it, strip threads, or worse. The smarter move is WD-40 usage. Spray it directly on the stuck bolt or spark plug base and let it sit for about 10 minutes. It creeps into the threads, dissolving rust and corrosion where you can't reach. Tap the bolt gently with a wrench to help it work in, then try again. You'll feel it loosen like magic. No brute force, no broken parts, just smooth removal and one less repair disaster. Smooth bolts deserve smooth doors, and those hinges could use the same care. Number 9. End door hinge squeaks for good. That squeak when you open your car door isn't harmless. It's metal grinding on metal, slowly wearing down hinge pins until the door starts to sag. A few quick sprays of WD-40 can stop it cold. Aim at the hinge joints, swing the door open and closed a few times, and let the lubricant work in. Wipe off the excess, and if the noise lingers, give it another light coat the next day. WD-40 clears dirt, removes rust, and leaves a slick barrier that keeps hinges silent and smooth for months. The same trick works wonders on another small hinge that often gets ignored, your fuel door. But before moving on, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. We drop real fixes and DIY tricks to keep your ride running strong. Number 8. Keep fuel door hinges and latches working smoothly. A stuck fuel door can turn a quick gas stop into a wrestling match. Dirt, rust, and moisture build up around the hinge and latch until the spring refuses to release. To keep it smooth, open the door and give the hinge, latch, and spring a small spray of WD-40. Let it sit a few seconds, then open and close the door several times. Wipe off the extra, and you're done. The formula breaks up grime, freeze movement, and leaves a thin shield that stops rust before it starts. Clear fuel doors are great, but nothing beats crystal clear wiper sweeps up front. Number 7. Condition wiper blades for streak-free sweeps. Streaks, squeaks, and chatter mean the rubber has dried out and hardened from heat, UV, and road grit. Replacement isn't always necessary. Lift the wipers, wipe the blades with a damp cloth to remove dirt, then spray a little WD-40 onto a soft cloth and run it along the rubber edge from end to end. The film loosens grime, reconditions the rubber, and restores flexibility so the blade seats evenly on the glass. Finish by wiping the windshield to clear any residue. Expect quieter, cleaner passes immediately. Repeat every few weeks, especially in extreme weather, to extend blade life and keep visibility sharp. After the glass is spotless, it's worth giving those plate edges some care too. Number 6. Clean rusty license plate screws and edges. Rusty screws and orange-stained plate edges can make any car look poorly kept. Rain, humidity, and road salt eat away at the metal until the screws seize completely or snap when removed. To fix it, spray WD-40 directly on the screws and the edges of the plate. Let it sit a few minutes, then scrub gently with a soft brush or old toothbrush. Wipe clean with a microfiber cloth, and the plate will look fresh again. Before reinstalling, coat the screws lightly once more. This simple step keeps rust away and makes future removal effortless. With the details polished up, it's time to tackle the oily messes next. Number 5. Clean oil and grease easily. Oil stains and greasy buildup don't stand a chance against WD-40. Whether it's oil on your hands after a repair, residue on old cans or exhaust pipes, or dark blotches on your driveway, this spray cuts through it fast. Just coat the area with WD-40, let it sit a few seconds, and wipe with a rag. The formula lifts oil and breaks it apart so it rinses away effortlessly. Finish by washing the spot with soap and water to remove any leftover film. It's quick, safe, and leaves metal, concrete, and skin clean without harsh scrubbing. Grease-free hands deserve a clean interior too, especially when gum or crayons strike. Number 4. Remove crayon, gum, and sticky residue inside. Few things test your patience like gum welded to carpet or melted crayon smeared across a seat. Heat, kids, and snacks create messes that regular cleaners just smear around. WD-40 makes cleanup simple. Spray a light mist directly on the spot and give it a minute to soak. It dissolves waxes, sugars, and adhesives from the base up. Then, lift the gunk using a plastic scraper or a soft cloth. On fabric, always blot instead of rubbing. Finish by wiping with mild soap and water to remove residue. Safe for leather, vinyl, and upholstery, it restores clean surfaces without damage or discoloration. After tidying up the seats, bring that same fresh look to the dashboard. Number 3. Clean and Shine Dashboard Plastics. A dusty, faded dashboard can ruin the look of even the cleanest ride. Heat, sunlight, and daily contact make interior plastics dull and sticky over time. Skip the greasy cleaners and overpowering scents. WD-40 does the job better. Spray a small amount on a microfiber cloth, never directly on the dash, and wipe across panels, consoles, and trim. It cuts through grime and fingerprints, leaving a smooth satin finish that looks clean, not slick. The light anti-static film even keeps dust from settling back. Use a soft brush for textured spots, and your cabin will look freshly detailed in minutes. A spotless interior is great, but WD-40 can save the day when things get wet under the hood. Number 2. Emergency Flood Restart. Driving through deep water can leave your car coughing, flickering, and refusing to start. It's scary, but not always fatal. In most cases, moisture has just invaded the ignition system. Instead of cranking repeatedly and risking engine damage, pop the hood. Find the spark plug wires, coils, and distributor if your car has one, then spray WD-40 over them. The formula pushes out trapped water, dries fast, and restores proper spark. Wait a minute or two, then start the engine. Most cars will fire right up. Keep a small can in your glove box. One quick spray can turn a breakdown into a rescue. And once you're back on the road, a little care for your door seals keeps trouble from coming back. Number 1. Protect rubber weather seals. Those rubber strips around your doors and trunk keep out rain, wind, and dust. But they dry, crack, and shrink with time. When that happens, leaks and wind noise sneak right in. Keeping them healthy is simple. Wipe the seals clean with a damp cloth, then apply a small amount of WD-40 to a rag and run it along the rubber. It restores flexibility, prevents cracking, and leaves a thin water-resistant layer that keeps doors from freezing shut in winter. Repeat every few months to keep the seals soft, tight, and ready for any weather. Good seals keep water out, but to keep power flowing, there's one last spot that deserves attention. Which brings us to the bonus tip we promised. Stop battery terminal corrosion. That white, green, or bluish crust on your battery terminals is corrosion slowly choking your electrical system. Left alone, it leads to weak starts, dim headlights, and even alternator failure. Preventing it is easy. Disconnect the cables, negative first, then spray WD-40 directly on the terminals and clamps. Let it soak for a minute to break down the buildup, then scrub with a wire brush or an old toothbrush. Wipe everything dry, reconnect the cables, and finish with a light mist of WD-40 for protection. Do this every few months to keep your starts strong and connections clean. And that's how mechanics use WD-40 to the fullest. Did you find a new trick you're going to try? Tell me in the comments. And when you're ready for more smart car hacks, click on the next video. It's the one every driver should see. Thanks for watching.